Hello and welcome to the very first episode of VOGELOGUE TV's Maximizing Ableton LIVE Lite video series. Throughout the series, we will explore tips and tricks on how you can make full use of Ableton LIVE Lite. If you're interested in Ableton LIVE Lite, you're just starting out, this is the right place to be. Subscribe for more videos to come. Alright, so to kickstart the series, let us introduce Ableton LIVE Lite for a bit. Basically, it's a stripped down version of Ableton Live, the full Ableton Live, just that it comes with certain limitations like lesser audio effects, lesser instruments, and of course the notorious 8 tracks limitation. But if you're just starting out, it's more than enough. So here are 3 reasons why you want to give Ableton LIVE Lite a try. Let's face it, Ableton Live is a pretty pricey software. The full suite version go as high as $700 plus US. That would be around 2,000 plus Malaysian ringgit. So just starting out, you probably don't have that much to spare. That is why Ableton LIVE Lite comes in the picture. Firstly, it is a free, fully functional digital audio workstation. Yes, it does have some limitations, but there's no trial period. You can save as many projects as you want, and you can even host third-party plugins. When you purchase MIDI controllers, sound cards, or even synthesizers from manufacturers like Novation, Focusrite, Roland, Akai, the list goes on and on. Usually, LIVE Lite comes bundled with it, and you can start off straight out of the box. So if purchasing MIDI controllers or sound card is still pretty taxing, you can actually explore alternative options from as low as $5, that is about 20 ringgit. You purchase an iOS app called Triq Traq, and it comes bundled with LIVE Lite. Second reason is that you can actually host third-party plugins within LIVE Lite, and that opens up a lot of possibilities. Unlike Studio One Prime and Pro Tools First, you can actually download third-party audio effects, MIDI effects, or even instruments and use it with LIVE Lite. For example, there's no graphic EQ in LIVE Lite, but you can always download one and just install it in LIVE Lite. Third reason, and the best one of all, LIVE Lite actually comes with free upgrades. So if you're a LIVE 9 Lite user, you're entitled for a LIVE 10 Lite upgrade. That is not even a luxury for us paid users. And the upgrades are pretty huge. Now, LIVE 10 Lite comes with complex warp modes and even increased ins and outs, besides the usual LIVE 10 upgrades like capture, groups within groups, multimedia editing, and so on. And that wraps up today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Next up, we're going to explore some of the essential VSTs that could help you when you're starting out with LIVE Lite, and also look at ways to layer more sound even with the 8 tracks limitation. I'll see you guys next time.